Chevy Silverado 6.0. Done quite a bit of work on it since the last video. Got a new bumper put on it. Finally fixed my cab corners and rockers. Put a Nomenco flatbed on it. Also sanded down and painted the frame and all that fun stuff. So I just got back from the exhaust shop because I cannot take these straight pipes anymore. They're loud and annoying, like high schooler stuff. So we went with the Flowmaster 40 series muffler. Dual in, dual out. So far, just from the drive home or whatever, it's definitely a lot quieter, has a deeper rumble to it. So let's see how she sounds and let me know what you guys think. If you like the straight pipes from my other video or the Flowmaster series better, let me know. So it is like 2 weeks later, so this muffler should be pretty well broke in by now. My truck decided to leak coolant everywhere in my last video, so I gotta get that fixed and whatnot. So I'm just gonna do an acceleration video from like 0 to 60 with the windows like quarter of the way down. I just wanted to say, the videos don't do this muffler any justice. It sounds freaking amazing in person. Like I said, it has a pretty low, deep tone to it. It's actually pretty loud. It's a lot louder in person than it is in the video. So, well, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.